Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to trade spot on FTX Pro. So if you don't have accounts yet, check this description link below to use my referral link to sign up. So let's go. You log into your wallet, fund your wallet, and if you send USDT, you can click on this side, convert here, click on convert and change it to USD, because what they use most here is USD. They don't use USDT mostly, so they use USD. So if you check, most of their trade is USD that they use mostly. So you click on home, check the trading. After that, you click on market. You can see the different markets token here, like features, sports, stock, leverage token, and many more like that you can trade. So today we are going to talk about spot trading, not features. Spot trading. So from here you change it to spot trading. As you can see, you change it to spot trading. So from there you check any of the token you want to trade. You check any of the token you want to trade right now. So I click on Atlas, click on it. You can see Atlas slash USD. So this is it right now. First of all, you click on the amount you want to buy. So I deposit some bucks here, 51 bucks. So right now I want to click on 25 bucks. There's difference between market order and limit order. You can see here stop market, stop limit, and all this one. Some of them are for futures trading. So limit order, let's talk about limit order. Limit order are, if you are waiting for the token, maybe, okay, you are waiting for the token to get to 0.20 again. Maybe you have your own reason why you say that, or you have checked your chart well, maybe your prediction or stuff like that. So you can put the amount here. You change the price to 0.20. As you can see, you put 25, let's change it to 50, or the amount must be greater than 200. Okay, so if I want to use limit order now, the amount must be greater than $200 plus. So as you can see right now, so that's all about that, about limit order. So I'm going to use market order. So cause market order fast, I don't want to wait for any limit or stuff like that. You can just go straight to the point. Like this is it, 25 $25. So I'm using market order. So I'm using $25 right now. You put the amount, $25 here. You can see the amount of axis that I'm going to get, 0.2 for $25. So you click on buy. So you click on $25 and then you click on buy. You confirm the payments. So they're going to deduct me from my balance right now. Order successful, please. You can see my balance. You can see right now. But if you want to use limit order, this is it, limit order. I'll click on 0.92 points, maybe 3. So I'll be waiting for the token to get to 92.3 again. So confirm. Yes, successful. No, you can see. You can see because market move faster. That's the reason why the other peak. You can see right now, market move faster. That is why. So when you click on wallet, you can see my token here already. All my token is available in my balance. And if you deposit USDT, if you want to convert it to USD, so this is how you're going to do it. You click on convert, select the coin, USDT, select USD, click on it, and click on max. So all your USDT token will be show here. We show here like $200. Click on max and then click on convert. So that is all. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channels. Thank you.